history and culture, the first bus stop and the city's new rhythm. Once upon a time in a bustling city, getting around was quite a challenge. People walked for hours or took horse-drawn carriages to get where they needed to go. One sunny Thursday morning, a group of curious kids gathered at the first bus stop. They had heard rumors of a new way to travel, and couldn't wait to see what it was. As they waited, their eyes followed a sleek silver bus as it pulled up to the stop. The children's eyes widened as they stepped onto the bus for the very first time. They marveled at the comfortable seats, the large windows, and the whirring engine. For these young adventurers, this was a magical moment. The bus traveled swiftly through the city streets, each stop bringing more and more passengers aboard. As the day wore on, the children realized that this new invention would change their lives forever. The children were amazed to meet people from all walks of life during their bus rides. They shared laughter, stories, and even a few tears as they learned about each other's lives. For the first time, these young friends felt connected to the larger community. As the sun set over the city, the children boarded the bus one last time for their journey home. Their hearts were filled with excitement as they thought about the adventures that tomorrow would bring. The city was changing, and so were they. Over the following weeks, more and more buses began to appear in the city, each one carrying more passengers than the last. The children watched with wonder as their city continued to evolve. One day, a wise group of older kids gathered at the first bus stop to impart some valuable lessons to the younger children. They taught them the importance of being respectful and patient while waiting for their turn on the bus, and explained how this new invention was helping everyone in the city. As the days turned into weeks, and then months, the bus continued to bring people together. It fostered a sense of community and friendship among the passengers as they shared stories and learned about each other's lives. Years passed, and the city continued to thrive. People could travel easily to work and school thanks to the buses, and the children grew up knowing that they were a vital part of this bustling community. They understood that they had played a role in shaping their city's future. As time went on, those young adventurers grew up to become responsible, hard-working members of society. They stood tall at the first bus stop, gazing out over their beautiful and thriving city. The bus had changed everything, and they were grateful for the role it played in their lives. The first bus stop marked not only a moment in history, but also a new chapter for the children who used it. They learned valuable lessons about cooperation, understanding, and patience as they embraced this incredible invention. The city's skyline, filled with towering buildings and bustling buses, now stands as a symbol of the unity and progress that comes from shared experiences.